Go on then.
Gotta get me one of these things. No, I like this one. Looks as if it gets the rain in. Right. Yeah, it's got to come with the wet weather gear, isn't it? I definitely like them. Don't want one with pom-poms.
Makes it more authentic. Yeah, exactly that.
There's a few of them. I would definitely have one, just for a toy. Right, if you can tell me all of what it was in aid of.
Okay, yeah, so we're doing the Armchair Adventure Festival at the end of September this year down in Cornwall, 24th to 26th September. Lots of different adventurers coming together in the same place, so it's got overland vehicles, we've got motorbikers, bikers, hikers, cyclists, all sorts of different stuff.
Yeah.
All get together, do lots of different talks about different things and live music and things like that as well.
Right.
Activities. Yeah.
Yeah, it was the hiking and the walking that I sort of disagreed with.
It's alright. It's
My
called
poor
the
little-
Armchair
yeah,
Festival, so there's
I'm
plenty of
a
places to
Womble
sit
and I've
down.
only got little legs and I don't walk far.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and I usually, if I go to the pub, I fall back.
Yeah. There's plenty of comfortable seating
Yeah,
in the armchair.
and I'm just trying to see what's the sort of the pricing to go down.
It's £99 for the weekend. If
For the
you buy it here
weekend,
today,
yeah.
or it's £119 online.
Yeah.
£119 gets you 3 nights camping in Cornwall, and it's a
Yeah.
beautiful spot looking over the ocean, one direction, and the Tamar
Right.
Estuary the other direction.
Oh, right.
Really beautiful little space, and yeah, that includes all the talks, live music, all that kind of stuff, and then
Right.
some of the activities you have to pay a bit more on the day.
Okay, right. Well, I'll put that out for you.
Cheers,
Yeah.
thanks man, appreciate
I've still lost my voice though.
it. Too much chatting.
Right, yeah, right. Thanks for that.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
You know, the deli.
Oh, Darren, see you now.
And into our little alcove. Oh shit, there's a lot of people in here. Am I in? Are you in full screen?
I can see my face.
You can? Right.
Yeah.
Well, this is my newfound mate. This is Mevy. And his YouTube name is Mevy.
Mevy. Yeah, we've only just met.
And we're getting only yesterday.
Yeah, we've hit it off with like
We
a
hit it.
house
Yes,
on
yes.
fire.
And we've decided we're having 3 children.
Yeah.
Look, Mr. and Mrs. Hello, darling. Ain't you bloody tall? What? Ain't you tall? You're taller than me.
Really
You are
tall?
tall. You're taller than me.
I'm 5'11". Is it?
I'm 5 foot. I am. I'm
Everybody's taller than you. Even Will.
No, I know. I'm
Oh,
definitely
yes.
taller than him.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's fully extended.
Yeah, I mean, every morning I open my glove box and he's in there.
It's telescopic.
He's telescopic. Do you know about sheep?
Yeah, they wriggle. They try and get
Yeah, they taste nice. They taste nice.
Oh yeah. There's that. Yeah.
You don't eat it.
I do eat them.
I'm a meatitarian. You're a vegetarian.
Put the legs in the wellies.
And that was an impression of a sheep acting a goat. Thank you everybody for watching. Yes, I've had a sniff of the barman's apron again. It is Sunday. The show's over. There is the bar has opened for us, and so we're sat there watching, having a few beers. I'm not going to go silly tonight. I keep falling over when I get silly like that. I can just show you with this little clip how exhausting it can get, and when he sees it, I expect he'll be embarrassed over it. So we caught it. So watch this.
No, Graham, don't.
And then I don't know whether you can see inside the beer tent there. We got all those idiots. They are drunk. I'm not drunk yet.
Take me home to the place I belong.
I will walk closer now as though they can see it. I mean, I don't know whether I'm going to get copyright for this idiot playing the music on in the bar, right? But hark at them. Can you hear them? They are there. They got more money than me. They bought that many drinks.
What did you say?
Hello there. Why do I associate myself with them? and all. Oh no! Now I've got to do so much editing. They are doing it on purpose. But it was absolutely fantastic day. It is Sunday. Saturday was very, very hectic. But today, I thought it was going to be nice and quiet. It was worse than yesterday, even although there was a lot of people left, because it threw down a rain first thing this morning. Look at them. I'm not taking. They're doing a take two, so this is all going in one. I've had enough. I'll walk backwards as though you could see them better, because they are. Go on then, dare you? Ah! You never combed it. Ah, wow! They've had a good weekend as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I get closer, I'm gonna cut it off. Bye bye.